Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing y'all on this shampoo that I discovered about a month ago, and I'm just like, I don't know why I'm so late on so much stuff. Like, I don't know, y'all not letting me know. Like, why y'all not letting me know about like the hidden gems that they got out here? So I just wanted to talk about this shampoo that I discovered, and it is like freaking pure like gold. Like, how did I not know about the shampoo? I do not know. I do not know. This shampoo that I'm talking about is the Dr. Bronner's 18-in-1 Hemp Peppermint Pure-Castile Soap. Okay, this soap is ridiculous. Like, this soap is like, it's so concentrated, so I didn't even use that much inside of this bottle, and once it's diluted with water, like, it's just ridiculous. Like, okay, so this is an 18-in-1 soap, so pretty much it can do 18 things with one bottle. Like, okay, so let me read it to y'all. So let's see here. So the instructions on this bottle says to dilute. Enjoy one soap for 18 uses. Shave, shampoo, shower, bath, mop, laundry, degrease. Like, it's just ridiculous. Like, I had looked it up online like after I bought this, and I was like, how one soap, how you can do, like, how you gonna mop and with a soap that you could shower with? You know what I'm saying? It just didn't make sense, but I kind of get it, like, because it's like all natural, and that's one thing that I'm just like, okay. So the first ingredient in here is water. Also the other ingredients is organic coconut oil, potassium hydroxide, organic palm kernel oil, organic olive oil, organic hemp oil, organic jojoba oil, and some other things that I can't pronounce, like 3 other ingredients. But just those ingredients alone is just like everything just organic, you know what I'm saying? And like literally, this thing is big. So I got this one from Ulta, and I think I paid like, I don't know, I want to say like $6.99 or something like that. So, you know, I had to go to my infamous TJ Maxx to see if they even had stuff like this, and I found a little bitty bottle. Hold on. Okay, I'm mistaken. It's actually Marshall's because it says Marshall on here. So I found the little Dr. Bronner, and this is the tea tree version, which I can't wait to try. So this little bottle, it was only $1.99. Okay, you guys, so like I said, it is wash day, so I'm going to be washing this hair. I have like a whole lot of product buildup. I think my hair, the last time I washed my hair was a week ago. I pretty much do it like every single week. I don't really go too long, but it needs to be washed because Essence Fest is coming up, so a girl needs to look snatched. Okay, so I got a bottle of some warm water here. I just want to show y'all how good the soap is and how it suds up with just like literally, like, it's just almost like a drop of soap. So I'm just going to spray my hair here, and if the spray isn't doing its justice that it needs to do, I'm just going to go ahead and go rinse my hair with some water and then come back. You know what? I think that's what I'm going to do. Hold on. Okay, you guys, so I'm back because that spray bottle just wasn't doing what I needed to do. So I have the soap right here. So I'm literally just going to put like not that much in my hand. I'm going to say that's maybe like, I don't know, 10 drops or something. So look at that. I didn't even do nothing. All I literally did was just slap it on the front of my head. That was it. Like, do y'all see that? That is ridiculous. Like 10 drops. This shampoo is like so clarifying. Like, when I tell y'all I use this, and it really feels like my scalp is like super duper clean. Like, it's ridiculous. So I'm just gonna just add just a couple of more drops, not too much, just because, like I said, it is very concentrated. One thing I do like about the peppermint one is peppermint gives you that nice tingling feeling, which I love so much, and I believe it stimulates hair growth, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and go rinse this out of my hair because yes, I need to go finish up this wash day. But just look at how much this thing suds. Like, this is ridiculous on how much it suds with not that much. Like, it really is. Like, and we're still at the top of the bottle, like literally. Like, we didn't even go anywhere. Right here. I'm gonna go ahead and leave and go wash this out, and I'm gonna go ahead and come back. Okay. Okay, you guys, so I'm back from washing my hair, and my hair is like so clean. Like, the buildup is like all gone. Like, it's just like, it's squeaky clean. I really love this shampoo. Like, I really do. I don't use it like every single week because I do feel like it clarifies my hair a whole lot. So sometimes I don't want that little squeaky feeling, so I do use a moisturizing shampoo sometimes. But the times when I do want like a nice, really clarifying shampoo or wash day, I definitely run to the Dr. Bronner. And if you haven't tried this before, you definitely should, or at least like go to Marshalls or something and try and find like the little bitty bottle. Because they have like all different types of oils that they use, as far as like they have the tea tree, peppermint, I think like a citrus, orange, lavender, and something else, and some other things within like the whole Dr. Bronner family. But this is just the beginning. So yeah, so if you have tried Dr. Bronner before and you know how good it is, why you didn't tell me? You trying to keep stuff from me? Like, what is this, sis? Like, we can do this together. You know what I'm saying? We can do this together. You ain't gotta keep nothing from me. But it's okay. I found out though. I found out. It's alright. So you guys, so if y'all did enjoy my little, I guess, review, but I've already reviewed it, informative video, please go ahead and give this video a nice thumbs up, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell button so you're notified every single time when I post a new video. Bye you guys. Now let me go finish this wash day because the sis wants to go to sleep.